Mr. Birdsey, good morning.
Yeah.
Oh, you that grouchy this morning?
No, actually, really not. I'm just trying to figure out why the hell people decide to slam on the brakes in the middle of the freeway when there's no accident. There's nobody losing control. There's no shit on the freeway.
Are you grouchy?
We almost crashed.
No, I literally was about to put it in the guardrail.
Yep.
Yeah, that's what the wall's for.
Who's guardrail? No, we were...
Don't tell nobody.
Kinky. All right, so Mr. Burns has that line apart back there. There we go. Because you had to get that line off.
Yeah, and that was the fun one.
Yeah. That was your fun last evening. Because when we left you,
When we left.
you were getting ready to separate those, and that probably took most of the rest of your day last night.
Yeah.
So now, you're getting,
There's bolts out in the back.
get the wheel cylinder out.
And then I'll take it over to the vise real quick. Swap over the lines.
Nice.
Slide it back in.
Nice. Oh, you gotta slide it in.
I'll slide it in.
Oh, yeah.
Big boy. And
Get that
then,
done.
like we talked about, taking the adjuster off.
Yep,
Clean
clean them
it.
up. And what we'll do is we'll kind of get everything together so we can bleed this today. And the new shoes for the front come tomorrow, so they'll come in and we'll just pop them in real fast and adjust them and test drive. And hopefully this goes home tomorrow.
Yeah, that's... I know Danny'd be happy.
Yeah, get this baby home. I think Joey's car is going to be ready to go home today. Tom's wagon is going to be driving today.
Nice.
Tom's Grand Prix will be driving tomorrow.
Okay.
So that'll be 4.
Hey.
Yeah, we're moving today, buddy.
And then once I'm kind of... If you guys aren't back by the time I get this done, then I'll go start playing with the Packard again.
Yeah, finish that deck. The tap that we broke, the replacement should be coming today.
Oh, nice.
So we can finish running those. Scotty and I on the Packard did a test with just one of the studs. We just did the left front corner hole. Just ran it and put it out.
Yeah.
Looks good.
Feels good.
Feels nice.
Nice.
So we'll get that finished up.
I'm excited.
And we can start putting studs in that maybe tomorrow. Even though they won't all be here, we can put some studs in it.
Yeah, we can get started on
Yeah, because once the liquid Teflon's on it, it can be in there forever until we put it together. It doesn't really matter.
it. Yeah.
So we'll get those in. But back to the application at hand. One wheel cylinder out. These hoses, they're pretty damn new. They're nice. So we're going to pop those babies out and away we go.
Actually look really good.
Yeah. So,
Sweet.
all right. Progress. And cocktails.
No, not until 5.